Hi, welcome back, guys. As promised, I said I was going to have a little get to know me video, just to give you a little insight of who I am. Yeah, I changed the hair. Yeah, I wasn't feeling the little pink here with this look, and this reddish burgundy thing look really good. Yes, I like to wear wigs. I have like a whole heap of them. I'm the wig specialist. Yeah. Yeah, so I have gotten some emails from persons asking, where I'm from. If I'm from Jamaica, no, I'm not from Jamaica. I'm from Trinidad. Trinidad and Tobago. We're a twin island republic, and yeah, I love my Jamaican brothers and sisters. Yes, because I love my dancehall. But no, I'm from Trinidad and Tobago, as I said before. Um, Currently, right now, we're in Tunapuna. I'm originally from Laventille, St. Barb's Laventille to be exact. I grew up there for most of my life. Before that, we used to be in Gonzales. Yeah, so Gonzales. I grew up there until I was about 5, 6 years old, and then we moved to St. Barb's. So my adult life, most of my adult life, I grew up there. Um, After I lost my brother, he was murdered in 2007, and um, that entire incident really that I want to cry. That incident really changed me and my whole perspective of life, and I didn't want my children to be exposed to violence because at the time I was pregnant with my first daughter, and I didn't want her to be exposed to that. I didn't want, not really, um, I didn't want her to be exposed to violence, and at that time, Lavender was a bit hot, and I didn't want my children growing up in an environment where violence is normal. I wanted them in an environment where, you know, they don't hear that, they don't hear gunshots firing, you're not around um, any sort of violence. And then the grief from losing my brother, that hurt me and cut me in a way that I can't even explain or put into words. It took me 2.5 years after he passed away to really accept that my brother was gone. Yeah, so I not all things are bad up there. Laventille has some really good people, has some hardworking people, and when my brother passed away, everybody rallied around us. It was a real love thing. Yeah, that it just that's something that resonated in me after all these years. The love and the support that we got from our neighbors, and um, it just the kind of things that he would have done for people. He just helped random people. It was just so amazing to hear some of those stories about him. Jelani was really something else. And I was so proud when I heard all the good things people had to say about him. I was proud of my neighborhood, of how they rallied around us. I was proud because I came from Laventille. And it's a shining example as to not everything is bad at Canada. Yeah? So, well, we're in Tunapuna, and I am living among some of the most wonderful people. More older folks, so the environment is really loving and caring, and everybody looks out for everybody, except for one Mako neighbor I can't take. But besides that, yeah, everybody's loving and kind and generous, and it's like a real nice atmosphere my children are growing up in, and that is what I wanted for them, and that is what we got. Makeup world, I stumbled into this um, solely by accident. There was an afternoon I was getting ready to go somewhere. And at the time, I ain't know much about foundation and all these things. I always hear about foundation. I always hear people say, oh, that thing is a cakey and ugly. So I always used to just use the pressed powders. And when I first did my first application with the pressed powders, so many people were like, wow, that looks so good. I'm thinking when I look back at them pictures, I was like, you know, I realize, like, why are they lying to me? That thing was looking like awful. Like, I was playing in crayons or finger paint. So I don't know. I don't know. But thank God it has grown from there. I ain't looking like somebody paint some crazy shit on my face, but I love it. And it has grown, and I've experienced so many so many good high points in doing makeup. A lot of persons have stopped me and asked me, "Oh my God, where did you get your makeup done? Who did this?" And it's it was an eye opener for me for like the opportunities that the makeup world can offer. You always heard about, you want to be a lawyer, you want to be a doctor when you get older, but now that I'm in the makeup world, I'm seeing like, we need to promote other things than lawyers and doctors in Trinidad. Yeah, you can be so much more than that and be successful. Yeah. So I have 4 little bundles of joy, one of which is here with me. Yes, baby. No more snack. You got snacks already. The snack queen. And being a mother has changed my perspective on a lot of things, and it has made me more driven. And um, the want or the willingness to work hard and achieve my goals for my kids. My husband and I have been together for 15 years, and he has been my strength in most of our relationship. So I'm thankful and I'm grateful that God blessed me with a wonderful and faithful husband. So yeah, that's it about me and my family and in the makeup world. But you can never stop learning in the makeup world. There are a lot of things that I've never done before that I'm open to doing. So I'm going to try, the Halloween thing and see how it works out, and do a Halloween makeup look on my face. Try different things, APP, to see how it goes. So I really want to thank everybody again for subscribing. I would really love to see my subscriptions grow well over time, and I really have to thank persons for viewing and liking my videos. The little likes I've gotten, it's been a motivator to really continue doing this. All right, PP, all right. So I'm very grateful for all the views and for everybody for viewing. I'm trying to move the camera, and the child would not stop her nonsense. But thank you so much. But thank you so much. I'm grateful. And subscribe and like and share. And if there's anything else you want to know, feel free to ask me. Yes. So see you all. I'm on Monday. I'm not going to do a recording tomorrow. Tomorrow's Game of Thrones. So you'll have to mentally prepare to see somebody die. Like, I don't know, somebody I like might be killed off. So yeah. So thank you so much for subscribe and like and share, and stay tuned for more videos from Mosi. Thank you, darling. Over and out.